If you want to get involved in genuine and valuable NFT projects, then you must get yourself whitelist into these projects. A whitelist is similar to a VIP list or a guest list for an event. If you are on it, then you can get some useful perks. It could be early access or even lower prices. By creating a whitelist, NFT projects choose specific cryptocurrency wallet addresses to allow access to the minting process for their NFTs during a specific time frame. It is important to get into whitelisting so that NFT communities can be built around this culture. It helps the industry grow in the right direction. Before we get into the video, you have to know that every project does it differently. Some projects only do giveaways and games. From what I've seen so far, the most used way of whitelisting people by a project is by hand-picking people who are active in the community. But don't let this demotivate you. There are also servers that ask you to fulfill certain requirements and then open a ticket to get whitelist. Every project does it in a different way, so some of the tips and tricks I'm going to give you won't apply to the server you currently want a whitelist spot for. If you want to get into an NFT whitelist, you'll need to follow certain steps. First, you need to join the Discord channel of the NFT project you have chosen to follow. Your next step involves hyping up the project. There's a lot that comes under hyping, so pay attention to this section. NFT project Discord servers have to deal with spam messages and bot accounts on a regular basis, so in order to counter this problem, they have come up with a list of mandatory requirements for their members. There's no way around them, so you must follow them if you want to get whitelist. The most important requirement is to invite a certain number of people to the server. There's no fixed number as such, but most Discord servers require you to invite between 10 and 15 members. Please do not try to invite fake accounts because the servers will check their activity and then determine if they are verified people. You can invite friends and family by using your personalized invite link, but make sure that they remain active for a few days. You can also look for J4J servers on Discord for additional members. A J4J server consists of members who are willing to engage in join-for-join activities. So if you join their servers, they will join yours as well. These people also know about the whitelisting requirements, so they will make it a point to be active on your servers. It is actually better to use this method because these people know what they are doing. Remember that this is not like a pyramid scheme, where you get selected only by the basis of the number of people you bring. NFT projects always prefer quality over quantity in their Discord server. Do not worry because the server admins will also know exactly how well you have followed their instructions by looking at your referral codes. They will reflect exactly how many users you have invited, so there's no risk of unnoticed invitations. Sometimes Discord glitches and deletes all invite registrations all of a sudden. So please make regular screenshots and you've gotten people into the server by your custom link. In most servers, you also need to reach a certain rank to make yourself eligible for the whitelist. Most Discord servers require you to reach at least level 5 before you can become a part of their whitelist. In order to reach a higher level, you need to actively participate in the server. This will include interacting on discussion boards, engaging in lengthy conversations, chatting across various channels, inviting people to join the server, and replying to people regularly. Please keep in mind that sometimes, you might gain experience points based on the duration of your online conversations, because some servers prefer to award XP per minute instead of per message. So make sure that you have something of value to add in your comments. You might not achieve a higher rank just by spamming posts with single words or lines. Longer discussions lead to higher XP, which leads to a higher level. Another way to hype the project is to include the server's tags in your own profile. For example, if an NFT project has the tag, Hyped Cats, then you can include it in your Discord username, just like how the Bored Ape Yacht Club members do it. After changing your username, you can get a sneak peek out of their sneak peek channel if they have one and put it up as a profile picture. You can also post tweets about the project and mention the same Discord tag in your text. Other activities that you can do are retweeting the project's tweets, tagging the project's Instagram page on your Instagram stories and posts, and giving value to the server by posting links to relevant NFT topics. This might seem like a lot of commitment, but once you get picked for the whitelist, you will enjoy the benefits. You can also look for certain hand-picked servers with specified roles or colors. People with unique roles are more valuable towards the server than others. If you engage with them correctly, then they will reply to you frequently. This way, your reputation will grow in the community as well. Please keep in mind that you should try to interact with people who have unique roles. For example, it is better to engage with someone with a role that only belongs to 10 people rather than a role that belongs to 1,000 people. Next, if you are typing a message, then fill it up with useful and relevant information to increase its chances of getting pinned. This increases your exposure to other members of the server, and boosts your chances of getting whitelisted as well. Topics like the latest NFT release, useful NFT hacks, or uncommon NFT red flags usually do well on Discord servers. It is important that you stay updated on NFT news and updates if you want your messages to be noticed by everyone. You should also pay attention to the founders and mods of the server. You can search for their Discord usernames, and see what they are talking about and where. If you notice that the founder of your server is talking about the competition between LooksRare and OpenSea, then you can join in and mention something relevant. By creating a strong impression, you are more likely to get whitelisted on the server. Finally, you should try to organize all your social media profiles to have the same profile pictures and usernames. You can use the image of your server's display picture and edit the background to give it a unique color. Once you do that, you can upload it across all your online platforms so that you can show your commitment to the server. Mods prefer accounts that go all in for their servers. Once you have jumped through these hoops, you can either apply for the whitelist, get handpicked for the whitelist, or get selected automatically for it. You might even come across certain NFT projects that like to choose their members based on a lottery system. However, these systems are programmed to only select users that are active in the community, so do not think that it has anything to do with luck. You still need to put in the work because there's a lot of growing competition among members of various servers to get whitelisted. Now, whitelisting is mainly used for two purposes that benefit project members. The first is to reward early users by giving them the chance to mint their own NFTs before the actual launch date. Users can also receive benefits like reduced minting costs, free NFTs, or exclusive access to other NFT collections. The most important purpose is to avoid a gas war. Thousands of people usually try to mint a popular NFT at the same time. This leads to the gas fees ending up to be higher than the actual minting price of the NFT. By whitelisting supporters in advance of a launch, the project team can create a window of time within which their NFTs can be minted. For example, a 24 or 48-hour window of time on particular dates will allow only the whitelist members to mint their NFTs during this window. The others that are not whitelisted will not be able to mint within this window and will have to participate in the gas war. Since the whitelist addresses can choose the specific time that they want to mint within these windows, people can spread out their transactions. This prevents a gas war and saves money for everyone. While gas fees on the Ethereum network is still a major issue, whitelisting has definitely helped to reduce its problems. The point is that the NFT world is constantly evolving and adapting to the market trends. Whitelisting has become among the most important activities for genuine NFT traders, so it will only evolve as time passes by. For now, it is important to whitelist yourself for your favorite NFT projects because it puts you ahead of your other competitors. If you found this video to be helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have uploaded lots of other NFT videos, so I am sure that you might find something useful in my collection. I will see you soon. Goodbye.